Class 2 children, today we will do poem Traveling. So class 2 children, what we will do today? We will do the poem Traveling. We will do the poem Traveling. Now let me ask you children something. What do you mean by traveling? What does traveling mean to you? Can you say what does traveling mean to you? What do you mean by traveling? Traveling means, what is the meaning of traveling? Traveling means going from one place to another. So traveling means going from one place to another. But what does traveling mean to you? You don't know children, isn't it? So let me tell you. We travel to go to school, isn't it? We go to school, then we go to our workplace. We travel to visit friends and family. We travel to holy places. So how do we go to these places? We use different vehicles, isn't it? To go from one place to another, to travel from one place to another. So, how do we go? We can travel by bus, car, scooter, train, ship, boat, aeroplane, cycle. So, we can travel from one place to another. We use different vehicles. By cycle, we can go by cycle, by aeroplane, by train, by bus, and etc. And one more thing also we can do, children. We can travel by walking also, isn't it? So when we go short distances, we can walk and go. Instead of taking auto, rickshaw, we can go walking. We can travel to short distances by walking. And do you know children, walking is the best exercise. So, traveling means getting away from your everyday life. To get away from your everyday life. Whatever you can feel, you can do. Exploring the wonders of nature, you can explore. When you travel to a new place, you can explore the wonders of nature. You can make memories with friends and family, isn't it, children? When you travel from one place to another, you explore the wonders of nature. You make memories with friends and family, and you experience the exotic food, means different kinds of food made by different people. And traveling means the happiness of life. Traveling is the happiness of life. As I told you, watching beautiful places that we don't have at home. And during vacation, like puja vacation, summer vacation, winter vacation, we travel, isn't it, from one place to another. We discover new things, beautiful place, new cultures, and we explore new places. And we spend time with our family and friends. We are in that time when we travel, when we go from one place to another during vacation, we are in a special mood, in a different mood. A special mood arises when you are on vacation. So children, when you are on vacation, a different mood arises. That time you are very happy. You feel very happy because you don't have to follow the same routine what you follow every day. That time your routine is little different. So when you are on vacation or when you start a trip, what do you do? What do you love to do? What do you like to do? When we go to a different place, to a new place, we love to take out photos, isn't it? So that when we come back, we can show it to our other members of our family, other family members, or to our friends, school friends, or maybe other friends. We do videos of new places we visit. And then when we go to a different place, to a new place, we come to know different languages also. And of course, we make new friends. Totally the scenario changes, isn't it? The full thing changes when we are in our own place. Our routine is different, and when we go for a vacation, it is completely, everything is changed in our life. We are away from our everyday life, because every day we watch TV, we can see different things in the pictures and the TV, but not in real life. But when we go out of our house for a vacation, we can see real things. It means we have a change from our daily life. We discover a new place and its culture also. And traveling means, children, traveling means everything to us. It means learning, understanding, and loving the differences in the world around us. So traveling means everything to us. A change from our daily routine. It means learning, understanding, and loving the differences in the world around us. We believe traveling is a lifestyle based on experience. Isn't it, children? So we believe traveling is a lifestyle based on experience. We travel to see new places. We travel to see new places. So children, now let us go through this poem, Traveling, Traveling. Row, row, row your boat gently round the lake. Traveling, traveling on the water, boats are what you take. So, in this poem, children, the poet is anonymous. The poet is anonymous. Poet is there, but we don't know the name of the poet. So, what is the poet trying to say? That row, row, row your boat gently round the lake. Traveling, traveling on the water, boats are what you take. So when we travel by boat, we have to row the boat, isn't it? Row, row, row your boat gently round the lake, traveling on the water. Boats are what you take. When we travel on the water or lake, we use boat, and we have to row our own boat, or someone is there to row the boat. Then only we can travel on the water. Drive, drive, drive your car. Have a merry cruise. Traveling on the road. Cars are what you use. So what the poet is saying, children? Drive, drive, drive your car. Have a merry cruise. Traveling on the road. Cars are what you use. But when we travel by road, on the road, what do we use? We use car or bus or rickshaw or cycle or auto, anything, isn't it? Next is fly, fly, fly your plane high up in the air. Traveling through the sky. Planes will get you there. Now children, if we want to travel to a far place, we can go by train also, we can go by plane also. So, fly, fly, fly your plane high up in the air. Traveling through the sky. Planes will get you there. That means if we travel by aeroplane, if we go far place, if we travel by aeroplane, then how we have to go? High up in the air, through the sky, isn't it? We have to travel through the sky if we go by aeroplane. Then we have to fly through the sky, isn't it, children? Because through the sky nothing else can go. Only aeroplane will take us from one place to another. Chag your train, chag along the track. Traveling on the rails. Trains go there and back. And we can travel by train also. Far off places we can travel by train also. So, how does a train run? Along the track on the rails. So, a train runs along the track on the rails. So, trains go there, means wherever we want to go, we can go by train also, and the train will bring us back also. Now children, last stanza. Stamp your feet. Stamp them on the ground. Traveling on your feet. Walk to get around. Now what the poet is telling us? Stamp your feet. Stamp them on the ground. Traveling on your feet. Walk to get around. Like as I have told you before, children, we can travel by walking also. Short distances we can travel by walking also, isn't it? And walking is the best exercise, children. Short distances we can go by walking, isn't it, children? So this is the poem, children. I hope you have understood. Now children, go through the word meanings. Write the meanings of the following words. Write the meanings of the following words. Number one, row. Number one, row. To be moved by oars. To be moved by oars. O-A-R-S. Oars. Number 2, gently. Number 2, gently. In a gentle manner. In a gentle manner. Number 3, lake. A large landlocked stretch of water or a small stream of running water. Number 4, traveling. Going from one place to another. Going from one place to another. Number 5, merry. Jolly and full of fun. Number 6, cruise. A sea or lake voyage, especially one taken for pleasure. A sea or lake voyage, especially one taken for pleasure. I repeat, children, word meanings. Number 1, row, to be moved by oars. Row, to be moved by oars. 2, gently, in a gentle manner. Number 2, gently, in a gentle manner. Number 3, lake. A large land locked. A large land locked. Land, L-A-N-D, land, locked. Stretch, S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch, S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch of water. Or, children, or a small stream, S-T-R-E-A-M, stream of running. A small stream, S-T-R-E-A-M, stream of running, R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running water. Now, number 4, children, traveling. Going from one place to another. Going from one place to another. Number 5, merry. Number 5, merry. Jolly and full of fun. Jolly and full of fun. Number 6, cruise. C-R-U-I-S-E, cruise. Number 6, cruise. A sea or lake voyage, especially one taken for pleasure. A sea or lake voyage, V-O-Y-A-G, voyage, especially one taken for pleasure. Now, children, see this. Quote from memory the second stanza of the poem Traveling, Traveling. Remember, children, quote, Q-U-O-T-E, Q-U-O-T-E, quote from memory the second stanza of the poem Traveling, Traveling. That means, children, this is the first stanza, this is the second stanza, this is the third, this one is the fourth, and this is the last stanza. First stanza, second stanza, third stanza, fourth stanza, and this is the last stanza. So you have to quote, write, children, quote from memory. That means you have to write the second stanza of the poem Traveling, Traveling. Now, children, you have to learn the spellings also. So please take out your pencil and underline the spellings. Row. First one is row, then boat, gently, round, lake, traveling, water, take. Row, boat, gently, round, lake, traveling, water, take. All the spellings are from the first stanza, children. So please underline. Take out your pencil and underline. Next is drive, merry, cruise, road, cars. Drive, merry, cruise, road, cars. These spellings are from the second stanza, children. Now next, fly, plane, high, through. Fly, plane, high, through. These spellings are from the third stanza, children. Next, shag, train, track, rails. Shag, train, track, rails. These spellings are from the fourth stanza, children. Next, stamp, feet, ground, around. Stamp, feet, ground, around. These spellings are from the last stanza, children. So now, children, in the previous class I had explained Song of Kites, isn't it, children? In the previous class I had explained Song of Kites and the word meanings also I have told you. The Song of Kites word meanings also I have told you. Again, go through the word meanings, children, and this one also, Song of Kites, children. You will write quote from memory. Quote from memory, the first 4 lines of the poem Song of Kites. Quote. Quote from memory, the first 4 lines of the poem Song of Kites. So, children, I hope you have understood the poem Traveling, Traveling. Please go through the poem, learn the poem, the word meanings, and write the poem as I have told you. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.